Hi crafty friends, Melissa Minor here. Thanks so much for joining me on YouTube. Today we are going to unbox the Shimmerz Paints September 2025 color kits. I will leave a link listed down below in the description box if you're interested in signing up for this kit. Now you don't have to purchase just the kit, you can purchase things individually as well, so be sure to check out the website. First, this is the paint kit, so these are the paints that are included. I'm going to set that aside and we'll swatch those in just a moment. This is the bonus bundle, which you can add on, so I'm going to set that aside. And now let's look at these items in the kit. These are the dots, so these are some enamel dots that coordinate with the kit, and we received 3 of them. We received this small sheet of puffy stickers, of course in coordinating colors. And then there's a huge ephemera pack, and then we have a coloring sheet, so you can color these up with your paints and then fussy cut them out if you'd like. These are always so fun to color up and add to your pages. All right, now let's take a look at the ephemera. So I'm going to flip through here. Now the kit this month has kind of like that Western vibes feel, which is so fun. So let me start showing you these. See here we got the little cactus and another cactus. Now while I'm flipping through these ephemera pieces, I do want to mention that anytime you place your order on the Shimmerz Paints website, you can add my name, Melissa Minor, to the notes section of your order and Shimmerz will send you a free paint. Now you can add my name to every order you place, and each time you will receive another free paint. I always appreciate when you mention my name, as that helps me out as well. Thank you so much for all of those that either purchase from my links or add my name to their orders. I really appreciate it. All right, I still have some more ephemera pieces here. You see we've got some beautiful flowers. There's some little cowboy boots. And we've got some more cactuses, like a little Western scene, and some butterflies. So these are really pretty. All right, let's take a look at the paper. These are 12 by 12 and they are double-sided. They're really thick, really good quality paper. This one has like the stripes and they're not quite straight, so I think that's kind of interesting. Then we've got this pattern here, and then this pretty pattern. I'm gonna hold it up closer to the camera so you can take a look at that. Then we've got some chevrons here and this teal color. Ooh, this one might be my favorite. I like all the colors in this with the rainbows. That's really pretty. Another chevron design. And here we've got some cactus on that brown paper. That's pretty. Some wild flowers here. You could totally paint these up and fussy cut them out and add them to your layout. We've also got some wavy lines here. We've got like a sunburst pattern. And then this is like a brown striped paper here. We've got this pink pattern. And then on the back, some more flowers that you could paint up with your paints. So that's fun. Ooh, I like this one too, like a grid style. And then on the back, there's arrows. And you could turn these arrows whichever way you want them to go. So that's kind of fun. This page is really unique. We've got this circle element here that you could paint up with your paints. I could also see fussy cutting that out maybe. That's really neat. And then on the back, some more like little chevron designs. All right, let's start looking at all the paints that come included in your kit. And so I want to swatch these with you. So the first one we have here, this is the Sweetheart Vibes. So instead of shaking it, you can place it in your hands and then just kind of twist it around. Now I cut these little squares out of some mixed media paper, and this I punch a hole in them and then I put them on a swatch ring so that I have all my colors swatched. So the paint moves around very well on these little swatch cards. So that's the Sweetheart Vibes. Next we're going to look at the Fire and Spice Vibes. While I was doing that, I sprayed some water in a couple of the little paint pans so that they could start activating. Now this one, this Fire and Spice, I am really interested to see what color this is. It's kind of like like a pink with a little bit of brown, and then it's got like a gold shimmer in it. I know it's really hard to pick up the colors on the camera. They just don't do these paints justice. This is a Shimmerz, and this is called Express Yourself. So this is a brown, a really pretty brown shimmer. Again, it has lots of sparkle and shine. I don't know if you can see that. And then this next one here, this one's really pretty. You see all that gold in there? This is called Blew My Mind Inklingz. And it's like this really pretty teal color, but it's got so much gold in it. Let me hold this one up. I don't know if I can get the camera. You can kind of see it there. See that gold sparkle? Ooh, I think this one might be my new favorite. That's really pretty. Then the next one we have here, this is a Twinklingz, and this is called Mind Your Bees-Ness. And the Twinklingz also have lots of shimmer and shine in them, like the Inklingz do as well. All of these are really, really pretty. Let me see if I can pick up the shine. I don't think that one's really picking it up as well. Then there's also this color. This is French Twist Inklingz. Now this is available in the bonus bundle. So if you were to get the bonus bundle, you get this paint and then also some sequins. See that? It's really, really pretty. And then I want to show you how I store these. So I get this container off Amazon. I'll leave it linked down below in case you're interested. But all of these new paint pans that Shimmerz has, I love this container, and I take a Sharpie and I write, like, if it's an Inklingz, I write an I on the side. If it's a Twinklingz, I write a T. And then I write the name of the paint color along the side with my Sharpie. And then included in this container here, they come with magnets. And so I'm just placing the magnets on each of these paints, and then they will stay in my box here without moving around. Now I have already filled up one box, so this is my second box, and I love the way that this stores all of these nicely. So I just wanted to show you that. Now here is a look at the sequins. Again, this is a separate purchase. This is the add-on bundle here that you can get. And if you were to get that, you also get the French Twist Inklingz. So that is a look at everything in this month's color kits. If you've enjoyed this video, please hit that thumbs up button. If you're new, I hope you'll subscribe and come back. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!